Alex. I'm doing the Airjitzu Kai. He's the master of fire. He comes with a torch of fire, 2 shurikens, like from Zane, and a golden weapon, his fire golden, and 2 golden swords, like normal, and his like his special weapon, and it comes with the top piece, like the thing you hold on, and then your thing. You first have to, how to build this is you place this right here, and then you place Kai, and then you place the cap piece. Then you have to lock it, like there's 2 things right here, and then you lock it. First, you have to place this in to do it. Then you have to place it on the right side. You spin it. Wait, start it.